Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm going to be doing today the installation of the upper torque mount. I got this idea from Honda Jon, so shout out to him. This is from the 2.0T manual transmission. This is made of pure steel. This is supposed to help with that hop that you get from the 1.5T turbo. And you also get that torque limit due to this because there's too much of a play on the engine due to the one that comes stock on the 1.5 automatic. So it's gonna be that part right there. That part is made out of some type of a polyethylene plastic or some sort. It is still a strong material. It's not a cheap material. It is still a rock solid material, but it still causes a play, especially if you're modded, and this is made out of pure steel, so you want to go ahead and replace that. $60 shipped. I think it's like 63, 64 shipped from the dealer. I'll put the description on there, but you can also check out Honda Jon's video. The part number right here is 50880-TVC-821. I'll still put it on the description. I got this off of the same dealer that Honda Jon did. For this installation, guys, what you're gonna need is a 15mm socket, and you're gonna need a torque wrench. The torque of this is 52 pounds to tighten it. I've already unfastened the screws, but I'm gonna give you a closer look so you guys can see which screws I'm talking about. Alright, the part is located if you follow this tube right here, and these connections that are going into the engine. Is this piece right here. It's mounted by two 15mm large screw bolts. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and remove these. I already unfastened this one right here. Make sure you use the same screw on the correct side. So the one that has the smaller washer is going to go on the upper, the one with the bigger washer goes on the bottom. So 15mm, guys. I had already unfastened this to save some time. But real easy, guys. If you have the torque wrench, it does all the work for you. Alright, guys, so it's out already. Just gonna go ahead and pull that. And we're gonna put in the new one. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it with the new part. The one that has this longer edge here is gonna go facing down. Don't forget to transfer over this part right here. And we're just gonna tuck it in. Remember, the one with the smaller washer goes on top, and the one with the bigger washer goes on the bottom. So I like to do this by hand, so that way you know the threads are going in easily and smooth. Alright. There it is, guys, hand tight. I'm going to go ahead and set up my torque wrench of 52 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and give it that final tight, and we're done. Alright, guys, so I set it to 52, as you can see. I'm right at the 50 with a 52 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. And the way you know is once it clicks when you're super tight. Alright, so now I'm doing the top. There it is, guys. Once it does that, you're good to go. Alright guys, all done. This is the old piece. So you can see the material is just made out of some type of hard plastic. It doesn't even weigh much. The other one's heavyweight. Pure metal. That is it, guys. Me personally, like I had mentioned before, the only reason I went ahead and I added this is because I'm going fully modded. I think this is highly recommended when you're going with high performance parts. I think if you're stock, I think you can live with this. I don't think you want to go ahead and invest the 60 something dollars, in my opinion. But definitely I'm putting this. I got the intercooler, downpipe, front pipe exhaust coming on the way. So a lot of this, and I'm stage 2 tuned, so I think this really would add a lot of help to the engine itself. And that is it. Anyways guys, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very blessed day.